And the thing I want out of life is no. I want you. Natasha, you're a really good singer. Well, thank you, Paul. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the live stream. Today we got something a little different. Hey, Gwen, Carly, BOOZHOO, Gwen. What's going on? You wanted the best. You got the best. The hottest band in the land. Oh, yeah. I know a thing or two about her. I know she'll only make you cry. She'll let you walk the streets beside her. But when she walks, she'll pass you by. Everybody says she's looking good, and the lady knows it's understood. Strutter. 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 She wears her satin like a lady. She gets her way just like a child. You'll take her home and she'll say, maybe, baby. She takes you down and drives you wild. Everybody says she's looking good, and the lady knows it's understood. Strutter. 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 Strutter, watch out! She'll make you cry. Hey, everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and Kiss classic music. Today, we got a very special show planned for you today. So without further ado, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Hey, that rhymed. What a price to pay. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Mistakes I know I've made.
but I'm only human.
You make mistakes too.
He's only human. You make mistakes too. You tell him, Paul.
Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby.
I'm just too loaded.
Baby, baby.
But I can't stop trying.
Baby, baby.
'Cause I believe one day I'll hold you near, whisper I still love you until the day's here. All right, people. Now, no matter whether you're with other people or you're home alone, you're not really alone because all of us are in this together.
That's right, Paul.
And music can bring us that much closer together. And when we sing, we're definitely a group. So don't be shy. It's going to feel really good. Here's what we want you to do. We'll sing it for you. It goes like this. Your turn.
Ooh, la 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 la.
We'll do it again. You go.
Ooh, la 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 la. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby,
Thank you, Paul. That was great. Undig is the crow, right? And, you know, that could be the new character. Because I don't think they should just let, you know, like they did with Ace and Peter. Just let other guys wear the makeup. Yeah, that's so stupid. Yeah. They're basically in Halloween costumes. They need to have new characters with new members. So Johnny Depp joins. He's the crow, the Undig. And he would replace Anung Abanujin, the Star Child, or Paul Stanley, right? You know, a lot of people want to see this happen. I don't think it's just us, sweetie. Is anybody else thinking about this? I don't know.
na 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 na. Do 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 tonight. I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight, I'm gonna lay it at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was made for you. And girl, you were made for me. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. I can't get enough of you, baby. Can't you get enough of me tonight? I wanna see it in your eyes. Feel the magic. There's something that drives me wild. And tonight we're gonna make it all come true. 'Cause girl, you were made for me. And girl, I was made for you. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. I can't get enough of you, baby. And you get enough of me. Oh, oh. I can't get enough. Oh, oh. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, oh, oh. I can't get enough. Yeah. Na 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 na. 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 I was made to love you. Oh.
Today's show is called Will Johnny Depp replace Paul Stanley? I think it's Will Johnny Depp join Kiss. Oh yeah, Will Johnny Depp join Kiss? It's been a lot of Kiss fans. There's a buzz in the Kiss army. Everyone's talking about maybe it's time. You know, Paul Stanley is going to hang up the the wig and retire. And we know who can replace him. Now, some people say, well, Paul Stanley has a son who plays guitar, and Gene Simmons has a son who's he's either a guitar player or a bass player. Couldn't their sons put on the makeup of their dads and the band could go forward? Yeah. I don't think anyone's interested in that. Nobody wants to see, the children of rock stars carry on the mantle. So a lot of people are wondering, all right, can Johnny Depp fill those enormous platform boots? He looks great. Yeah. Naturally he would put on the crow makeup.
Out on the street for a living, pictures only begun. Ooh, got you under their thumb.
Hit it!
Bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Ba bada 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 bum bada bum. Bada bum, bada ba ba bum. Ba bada bada bada. Out on the street for a living, bitches only begun. Her day is sown in madness, got you under their thumb. Ooh, black diamond.
darkness will fall on the city. Seems to follow you too. And though you don't ask for pity, there's nothing that you can do. Ooh, black diamond. Ooh, black diamond.
Bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Bada 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 bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum. Bada 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 bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum.
Pictures only begun.
Bada 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 bum bada bum bada bum bada ba ba bum.
Got you under there.
Bada 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 bum.
Black diamond. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Bum.
Ooh, black diamond.
Oh, wow.
Black Diamond by Kiss.
That was
And on
great.
the guitar, Michael Lyons.
I'm sure Johnny Depp would love to be in Kiss. But then you wonder, like who else, who's next? No, Tommy Thayer replaced Ace Frehley. And that's kind of a cool story because he actually was an Ace Frehley. He was in a Kiss cover band or whatever. He played Ace Frehley. And then he became the real Ace Frehley. I know, that's so messed up. Yeah, but what if the ghost of Brandon Lee, could he be the new lead guitar player? I didn't know the ghost of Brandon Lee played guitar. I'm not sure, but maybe. So you got your ghost of Brandon Lee playing lead guitar. And then, of course, the Catman, we can replace him with the Joker. Yeah. And finally, Gene Simmons, he's about to have a heart attack. Ronald McDonald. There's the new Kiss. Hey, sweetie. Get out of here. Yep. I want to see Brandon Lee, Johnny Depp, Ronald McDonald, and the Joker. Watch for it, kids. And remember, you saw it here first on BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture and Kiss.
Got something about you. You got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father's son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as a one. God of thunder and rock and roll. The smell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul. I was lord of the wasteland, a modern day man of steel. I gathered darkness to please me. I command you to kneel before the God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul.
was really good, sweetie. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha on the guitar.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thank you so much for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. This is Natasha. BOOZHOO! This is NANABOOZHOO. Okay! I am Michael Lyons, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, Minowa. Hoa.
And to close out the show, what do you think, Natasha? Should we do another Kiss song?
Well, yeah, gotta do a Kiss tune.
All right. Well, why not?
Are you talking?
All right.
Yeah,
Thanks
yeah.
for watching, everybody. Back tomorrow.
And you show us everything you got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. What? You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. Looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
Almost. Take it away, Benjamin.
You say you wanna go for a spin. The party just go let me in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting.
Huh?
What? No. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Yeah. You have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
You sure have.
Podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is the whole gang.
BOOZHOO!
Okay. We'll see you again. Giga Waba Min, Minowa. Hoa.
Oh,
Hoa.
oh, thanks. That was great.
That was really fun.
Bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Click the link.
Oh, jeez.
All right.